It's hard being a star sometimes, it's obvious.
How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Not much talking today. I'm hungry. I missed y'all. I'm sorry I've been gone. I just been relaxing and chilling. How was y'all for July? I'm gonna say my grace and we're gonna get it in. We're gonna talk about probably too much of nothing because I'm hungry. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. We have baked beans with ground beef. I made those. We have Hillshire kielbasa sausage wings. I have a barbecue burger, potato salad over here, macaroni over here. Got some bread. You know I need my bread. So how y'all doing? How was y'all 4th? Your sister girl over here is tired. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much. These beans are so fire, y'all. I did these yesterday. Of course, for the 4th of July. They're so good. It's so good. My daughter made potato salad. My daughter made the potato salad and the macaroni. We kind of tag teamed y'all yesterday. Crystal Light, water, and that good old Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's. Still got these little stupid little night flies. Ugh. They are annoying as heck. Oh, they're another reason why I ain't been on here in a second, because they are annoying. And I put that around the side of my plate. Don't fall off my crazy self. Let me get one of these wings, y'all. Wings. These are so good. Y'all wonder about their crunch. They taste like they just came off the grill. I put them back in the air fryer. What's with that stutter today? No stuttering. No. I think my tooth been hurting. Oh, I think I have a tooth back there. I think they pulled that a while ago. Probably just my gum hurting. Hurts back there. However, it hurts. Let's look at this video, y'all. Hope y'all missed me because I missed y'all. I really did. You know, some potato salad. There you go. And this water. Because I'm going to need it. Get your water in, y'all. Drink your water. For real. A piece. This is bomb. This is 4th of July leftovers. So good. Them holidays, y'all be having them good old leftovers. Well, I've been totally craving some barbecue for a while, even before 4th of July, so she wanted this. Oh, look at these two. Oh, barbecue sauce. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got a fork yesterday. Went to my daughter's house. She was gone. They was outdoor dashing or something. Seasoned all this stuff up. Made the baked beans. And left. And came home and showered and went back over there. And I chilled the rest of the night. Look at that sausage, y'all. It's good. Baby rice. I think I need some more of that. Comment what kind. Sorry, y'all. Comment what type of barbecue sauce y'all like. I used to like KC. I still like KC Masterpiece. Let me keep it real. Yes. Or Gage barbecue sauce, the original. It ain't been long since I discovered this Sweet Baby Ray's, but it is so good. Well, I've had it before a minute ago, but I guess I was asleep, yeah. But now, and it was on sale, 2 for $3. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Smith burger. I only want 1 piece of bread for this burger, yeah. I didn't want no 2 pieces of bread. It's too much bread. I already got bread on my sausage. I put onions in my hamburger patties. Comment down below if y'all put onions in y'all hamburger patties. I normally put onions and bell peppers, but we didn't have any bell peppers, so onions it was. Mm-hmm. A hamburger good. Got my hand been itching. I'm like, where's the money? Well, where's the money coming from then? This is bomb, y'all. Just salad and beans. Let me taste that together. I know I'm hungry as heck. Mm-hmm. Gotta take some of that bread off there, y'all. That's too much bread. Delicious. Mm-hmm. I was at my daughter's house yesterday. I I made sure I brought me some food home today. But y'all know if them leftovers have set, that flavor, potato salad and baked beans, and it, so good. So good. So good, so good. This is, you know, just hung out with the family and the grandkids yesterday. Didn't do nothing. Came home and washed up and laid it down. Watched my buddy laid it down. I didn't do much of anything because I had to work yesterday. Got out for work and had to do this, so. So no video. No video. Although I really wanted to come on here. I'm too tired. It's good, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm licking my fingers. It's good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. And by at least this year, I'm gonna have leftovers tomorrow too, cause I'm eating all this. I take some to work for lunch, so I can get it at 8, cause I ain't wasting no food. Nope, I ain't wasting this food. That's good. Get some more of this sausage. I'm almost done with this sausage. Not to worry, I got another one. I got another one. Oh, damn barbecue. Sorry, y'all. This barbecue sauce making here real messy. Real messy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sorry, y'all. I don't have much to talk about. I'm eating right now, and I just don't have, and I just don't have much to talk about. Mm-mm-mm. It ain't nothing like they grew. It ain't nothing like they grew taste. That's so good. Mm-hmm. We. That's delicious. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Let it go. Let it go. That's good. I'm full. She's getting full. She is done. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. That's my time. I'm full. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Share with everyone. And as always, the sky's the limit. Stay blessed and in good health. Be kind to others and protect your energy. Protect your energy, people. Much love. Always the paper towel, right? Much love, blessings, and peace. Bye, y'all.